Welcome back to the Grown Women's Table. Hey, it's your girl Lori. I hope you guys having a great and wonderful day. And y'all, today's video is all about an unboxing of prescription glasses that you can get online from Firmoo. And I know you want to see which ones I got, and you want to see how much of a discount I got for you. So what do you need to do? Keep on watching. All right, y'all, run, grab your chairs, and have a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And you guys know, in order to say hello, you thumbs up the video. All right, y'all, let's get into this video. So before I even start, I want to thank Firmoo for sending these over to me. And y'all know your girl has been on the struggle bus. I have finally accepted the fact that my eyes have betrayed me and I can't see. And so now I'm wearing glasses. And you guys know I have been trying to find, really cute glasses that, make me feel a little bit better about wearing glasses. But yeah, I think I done hit the jackpot. So what I want to do is an unboxing, and then I'll show you the glasses and I'll give you some details about the glass. All right, y'all, first of all, y'all already know how I feel about companies sending us these huge boxes for little bitty stuff. So first of all, appropriate size packaging for the item. Y'all, I know it's a little pet peeve of mine, but I know I'm not the only one. So let me show you how they come. They come in an eyeglass case like this. It's super cute. And it says, y'all see what it says? You define your look. And it's just white all the way around. Let me open it up. So when you open it, the glasses are in here. Now the one thing I do like about it, first of all, they are very affordable. And you can get your prescriptions put in these glasses. And y'all, I got all kinds of stuff. I can't see. So we got these gorgeous, I'm not gonna put them on, let me just show them to you. Y'all, aren't these cute? Y'all, look at these. Very lightweight. Look at that. And y'all, these are called the Andrews. And I love that. Okay, let me show you. You can see the purple on the outer part of the glasses. And on the inside of the glasses is blue. And the arms are purple. It's almost like iridescent. And of course, you guys, they are heart-shaped. Y'all, these are gorgeous. Let me put them on. Let me put them on. Okay, y'all. Y'all already know what I'm about to say. If you've been following me for any amount of time, you'll know what I'm about to say. She cute. She cute. Y'all, these are super cute on your girl. I kind of went out of my regular type of frames and did something a little different. And that is what I like about their site. First of all, they have so many glasses to choose from. And then the site, because I've never purchased glasses online before, and it made it very simple because first of all, they even give you a section where it goes by the shape of your face, and you could try on the glasses that way and see how the glasses will kind of look on your face shape. I thought that was very, very, very helpful. And then it's so easy to plug in your prescription. It's really simple to plug in the prescription and add all the different things you want to add to the prescription. Y'all, it was a super easy process. And the glasses come within 7 to 14 days. I'm almost positive 7 to 14 days. So y'all, this is cute on your girl. Your girl looking real cute. Like really cute. You guys, there will be a link in the description box. And it's an affiliate link. But then also, you guys, I have a code so you can receive 50% off your purchase. All right, y'all, that is it. Let me know in the comment section how your girl looking. How y'all like these frames? Do you like these? I think she cute. And let me know Are you new to buying glasses online? Or is this something that you've been doing for a long time? Let me know that in the comments section as well, because you guys, I think it's awesome that you can actually just go online and get affordable eyeglasses versus going to the eye doctor and you already know how much they're going to charge you. We already know. And if you ain't got no insurance, oh Lord Jesus. So to be able to do that and get affordable, cute glasses, I think it's a plus. But that is it. I don't have anything else to show y'all. Really quick video. We're in and out. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Don't forget the link and the code is in the description box. And to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now you know what you need to do, right? Hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. Check out Lori's life, yeah, it's Lori's life.